Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix USB drive not detected. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first solution is to easily and reinsert your USB drive. So once you do this, if that still doesn't work, then try using another USB port. But if that still doesn't work, then if you have a spare USB device, then simply check if that USB device is working properly or it is the fault of the port. If it is the fault of the port, you use another port. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your start menu, then type in edit power plan and then open it. Now once you open it, here select change advanced power settings. Now once you are here, select USB settings, double click on it and then double click on USB selected suspending settings. Now what you need to do is click on enabled, then select disabled, and once again select enabled. Do the same for this plugged in as well, select disabled and then once again select enabled, then click on apply and then OK. Now once that's done, the next thing that you can do is head over to your start menu once again and then type in device manager. And once you're here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and then you'll find the universal serial bus controller. Simply click on it, then click on this option, then here select driver and then select the option that says object driver, and once that's done, your problem will be fixed. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.